Guys, most YouTubers suggest to buy TKL keyboard, which is 10 keyless keyboard, which minuses out 0 to 9 of the numpad, or 60%, 65% keyboard, which is, according to me, have no sense because, as you can see, it's pretty small with a full-size numpad itself. For context, I will just compare my old membrane keyboard from TVS. You can look for yourself side by side. This old TVS keyboard is a behemoth when comparing to the new Cosmic Byte CBGK 28 with Otomo red switches. So as you can see, this full-size membrane keyboard is much bigger, and this mechanical keyboard is much smaller. So by purchasing a mechanical keyboard, you already saved enough space, so you don't want to shrink on functionality by going 10 keyless or 60%, 65%. Those kind of stuff are irrelevant when purchasing a mechanical keyboard. Go for the full version if you want, and that's that. Compared to membrane keyboards, these are quite space saving if you want that. And I can immediately tell the key traveling and the feel is way better in the switch rather than the membrane. Who wants membrane?